So this is a live of 10 a.m. and for the first time I'm going to talk in English. Not in English, but in my English, so bear with me. I'm really not used to share. I didn't to guide meditation and yoga session in English, so it's the first time. So yes, it's exciting, and I hope it will be nice for you, a great experience. So today, usually we are doing a small meditation of like 10-15 minutes. And sometimes we are just talking about what I have to say. I have to say something about not have, but like if I am inspired to say something. And sometimes I'm sharing some references, like for example, one time I talk a bit about the Nisargadatta Maharaj book. And the last time I did a podcast, and I use a little poem to inspire the talk. Well, yes, just to construct a bit. And so I'm saying this because today I think we're going to do a meditation because I have no call to say something in particular. So we'll just meditate, which fundamentally doesn't mean anything particular. So it's a really much fun to talk about yoga when it is something inside ourselves that is unique for everybody. The process is unique. Okay, so we're gonna sit right, so with the spine right. And so I don't know how you sit usually, but you can cross your legs or put one foot first, then the other. And you can use a pillow if you need to high up your your level up. I don't know your pelvis. So when you are sitting comfortably in any posture that is great for you, that you are familiar with, we're gonna sit upright, you know. And we're gonna, for the hands, you put them like you want, so you can put them openly with the hand open in your knees, or maybe just in the beginning of your thighs here. Or you can I really like this posture, this hand move, if I can say, with the right hand underneath the left hand. So it's like you have a lot of choice. You can do a mudra if you want. As you feel it today, it is not a rule, just like how you feel today. So I'm gonna leave you this time to find your right posture for today. And we're gonna close our eyes and first listen. You can look at your third eye. It's something that I do usually, even when I do asanas. So it's a choice. I don't know. It's a good experience. You can test it. And we're gonna take a deep breath in. We open up. The air is going through beyond the body. So, and you exhale. You anchor. You relax the shoulders, the head, forehead, the eyes area, the jaw. You take a bit of time just to notice, to do a scan of sensation of the body. And we're gonna take another deep breath in, and this time with really the intention to grow the spine up. I don't know if you can say this, but you know what I mean. So you breathe in, and really you go taller. I can say, I don't know. The spine is really erect, and then you use the exhale to relax everything in this posture. Okay, so now we are rightly sit, and we can catch up with the breath, our dear friend, the breath. We maybe feel the air entering the nostrils, going out. Maybe we feel a difference of temperature. When it's going in, it's colder, and when it's going out, it's hotter. The head is relaxed, soft. The muscles of the legs are relaxed. And we follow the breath. Like if it's, we put all our attention on the breath. Mm. In this way, we are observing the breath. Like we can observe um, a nature, a tree, um, a bird passing, a river. So like a river, we feel its waves through the upper body, through the belly, the chest. And we just observe with kindness, with great curiosity and love. When thoughts appears, it's quite usual actually. Um, just look at them, recognize the thought, not the thought in its meaning, but the appearance of the thought. You recognize that it came, and as soon as you recognize that it came, you come back to the breath. Because all you want, all your deepest desire is all centered in your breath, the feeling of it. Relaxed, you feel what is. The breath is working by itself. We just have to observe it. Like it's a dear friend, someone we love deeply. And it is something really free. So we don't have to intervene. We are just enjoying the company of the breath. And yes, sometimes thoughts can appear, noise can appear. We just maybe look at them and then come back to our dear lover, our dear friend. That he is always here for us, any time in the day. It is here. The only difference in meditation is that we are putting all our attention on it, as we can. We are just doing our best, going with the flow. It's okay. Just putting the intention is doing a lot of the job, if we can call it a job, a training. It can feel like a training or an effort is putting here, but it's only in the beginning. More and more you'll feel the breath and put all your attention in it. You create a space, a secure space, a loving space. It's like a bridge that allows you to reconnect, to come back, come back. So this lover is really helpful. We learn to have a relationship healthy, meaning accepting um, with whatever is manifesting, the sound, the thought. We learn to observe and with kindness to notice and bring back your attention on the breath. With practice, it's becoming, there is not like steps, but it can be more and more easier to come back to the breath any time of the day. Because here, now, you are feeling it. You are putting all your love in the breath, on the breath. And this is like opening a door. And during the day, you can then, with a bit of attention practice, notice the door and say, oh wait, I can open it when I want. Thoughts will want to catch your attention. They do not have a will, but it's a way to talk. But you are so in love with the breath, with life, that when you notice that you were in the thought, when you were putting sense with what was just a thought, you come back. And it is simple as this. There is no special way to do it. Or, yes, you're going to take a deep breath in, expand, open, a deep breath out. enter the belly. Deep breath in, you open the rib cage, and deep breath out. Everything goes down, and you anchor on the earth, Bakshamam. You can open your eyes. Hello, welcome back. You were always here. Just closing your eyes is not like traveling in another dimension, but it's just changing perspectives. And you will see that whatever is happening here, the video, what you can see, your environment in place, all are here now. When you meditate, it's only putting the attention on a certain things to work this attention. And so there is a work in attention, and there is other subtle work that are going on when you do this, energetic things that are going on. And this will allows you and will cultivate an openness to an openness to point, an openness. It's an openness, so we can't say to what, because you are open to everything, anything, you see. I hope you enjoyed this little meditation. So if you like it, tell me. I will do more video in English, plus the video in French, because there is not enough content, I think, in French. So, so yes, have a really lovely day, a sweet day with yourself and with what is manifesting. And remember, what is manifesting, it's just things to observe. They are not defining, they are not saying something. There is no sense in it, like rational sense I'm talking. So the thing you can do is just observe. And the breath is helping to come back. Yes, so see you tonight for the yoga session at at 7 at 7 p.m. on this free art blog Facebook page. And yeah, ciao. It was a pleasure.